Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to assign permission profile to a user on DocuSign. So if you create a profile, if you create a permission profile and you want to assign it to a specific user, just simply click on admin at the top and you want to go down to the users and groups section under this admin section. So scroll down on the left, you will find users and groups. Let me find it here. Maybe I'm scrolling a bit too fast, but here you can find the permission profiles, the section here under users and groups. Click on the permission profile. You'll find the permission profiles that you created. And for example, I created this semi-admin one here. Just click on action on the right hand side and click on view users. Here you'll see if there's any users there, but if not, you can click on add user here and just simply enter the email address of that user and proceed. So here are your 4 steps. You enter the email address. So I'm going to just type in Andrew and let's say it's at Gmail, right? And we click on next. And from here, you want to fill in the details. So you're kind of adding the user there in the meantime. So enter the name, their job description, company, language, if you want to select something there as well. Scroll all the way down and proceed. Then you have some security steps. Then you have the permission profiles that you can quickly add them to or assign them to, and then you'll be able to complete it. It's a pretty straightforward process, guys, that you can quickly do. And as you can see here, you have the roles and the permissions section here that you can quickly do it. For new users, if you already have some users there, as you can see, you'll be able to also click on action, and from here you can edit that profile, which you can also go ahead and change the profile directly from here for those users, right? So you can quickly do that. As I'm the only account here in the main account, I'm not going to change this, but you can see the permission profiles available as well under their account. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.